Welcome back to my channel. I am Christina, and today we are doing a DIY project on a Halloween centerpiece in the kitchen. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Christina, and today we are focusing on a DIY project that I'm putting together for Halloween in my kitchen. I decided to do a centerpiece to go with the rest of the Halloween decor that I did. My last video I did an accent wall to kind of go with the flow of fall with Halloween. So today I'm doing a centerpiece for my kitchen. I am starting out with just this serving board that I found at Michael's. Everything you see today I have found at Michael's. They have a great sale of 50% off. So I decided to go back there and pick up some things to make this centerpiece. So I will also continue to have the links below. Thank you to all my subscribers for returning. And if you are new here, welcome. And please follow me if you do not already. And thumbs up this video, share, comment. I love to hear feedbacks from everyone. As you can see, you can follow along the video. I kind of go in slow motion with everything just so you can visually see what I'm doing, but feel free to ask me any questions. This is really a simple project and it's very easy, and it was a quick video, but I still wanted to show you guys what I created. So enjoy the video, and thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in a bit.
Perfect.
And there you have it, guys. I am all done. This simple project, I love how it came out. It was very appealing to the kitchen. It didn't have to be so grand. It was simple, playful, brought Halloween and fall together. I just loved how it came out. I hope you enjoyed how it came out, and I hope it inspired you to do something in your kitchen for Halloween and fall. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.